So I had this job today, and it's an old shower unit, fiberglass tub with some tile surrounding it. We're giving them a custom shower with some new sim tile, acrylic. It's broken down into 4 major steps. First one is just to tear out, getting everything prepped and square. Stage 2 would be getting our base and plumbing set up. Stage 3 is getting our sheetrock and walls prepared and put in. And then stage 4 would be finished accessories and caulking and things like that. Working on old houses, one of the major issues you run into is things being out of plumb and not very square and level. So the same was the case at this location. So that was the first thing we did. Once everything was torn out, I got everything base all leveled up. Some of the walls were a little wonky, so we took out some of the old insulation, put some new insulation in there, replaced some old styrofoam style, and put in some new 2x4s and framing to make sure our walls are just squared up and ready to go and ready for sheetrock. Doing things the right way is probably our main focus on all of our job sites. I've taken plenty of lead safety courses for the EPA and things like that. Every job, we use lead safe precautions, signage goes up, taping off areas, use proper PPE. As far as our expertise and things like that as well, there's always constant trainings. I've been to the manufacturer that makes our shower systems, the acrylics, the bases. I've been there twice. Just for refreshers and training courses, we're always staying up to date on the best practices and procedures. So I've been here going on 8 years now, probably I think another month or two, be 8 years. The first year and a half, 2 years, I shadowed another individual who had been here about 15 years or so before he retired, and picked up a lot of good experience on the job with them, make sure we're doing everything properly. After that, I went out on my own, on my truck, got to learn a little more of my own procedure, my best practices, things like that, working on my speed a little bit better. It's been a wonderful experience for as long as I've been here. My favorite thing is getting to work inside, but it's also the travel. I get to go around almost all of New York State, especially this Utica, Rome area. But I get to see a lot of new locations from Old Forge. I've been up to Alexandria Bay, places like that, down south in the Hudson Valley and stuff. You get a lot of really cool scenic drives, going out to job sites, but I get to meet a lot of really interesting people as well. It's always a cool job going into your communities, different houses and stuff, and members of your community, getting to meet everybody, see how houses are set up and things like that. As a contractor myself, it also helps with experience too, getting a lot of different views at different types of plumbing, carpentry, all that stuff like that. Different houses and different homes, especially ones that are old. They've had several people working in and out of them over the years. You get to see some interesting stuff. So you get to learn a lot of stuff on the job and on hand that you wouldn't necessarily get in a schoolhouse setting. So what we finally put in here and gotten finished up, we got a nice almond shower base with a matching sim tile diamond style wall system. The sim tile is a full acrylic system. It's one smooth piece, but it is a simulated tile effect to give you the same tile you'd want out of an actual tile system itself, without any of the maintenance or the problems that come with maintaining or keeping up with grout. So we got some Brantford chrome fixtures from Moen. We have a matching 24-inch grab bar with hand grips and a shower rod to match. So now that we've wrapped up here, this customer has a nice peace of mind. They don't have to worry about any problems in the future, any problems, leaks, creaks, cracks, any issues at all. There's a lifetime warranty on this bathroom system, so they can always give us a call if they have any problems or concerns, and we'll be back to maintain and keep up a beautiful appearance for the lifetime of this home. If you're looking for a bathroom or in the need for any of our services, please give us a call and stop by our showroom.